njengoba ngumntwana waleyona khodi ngenxa yothando uNkulunkulu wangipha lona, I'm supposed to be there ukuthi mangabe uhleba umuntu wasenkonzweni angiyinqande lento, mangabe kuba khona emgoso, mangabe kuba nezinto ezizokhuluma ezimbi ngo-elder wasesontweni lami, mina I have to show love, I have to stay there for uyena. Mangabe umfundisi edansa la awe love akufanele manje sisuka sithatha yonke into, hayi umfundisi uwile and this and that uyabona lapha usakhombisa uthando. So I think when you are showing love is when you are protecting each other, because kuningi okwenzekela emnyango, there are some people who makes churches fight each other. So wena ngenxa yothando uNkulunkulu akupha lona, ngenxa yothando onalo for uNkulunkulu, because you can't say you love God and you don't love your church. You can't say you love God but you don't love the members of your church, which means wena you are pretending. So uma ngabe unothando, if you have that love that God said you must have, which means in Kanzwa, about men to go night attendant, I have to be there to know this is wrong. If in Kanzwa